So you telling me that you only have to make $300 a day to make 6 figures? Say less.
You say you love me for me. It's hard to believe. I put my heart on my sleeve.
Good YouTube family, my name is Candace. Welcome to my channel, and if you are new, thank you so much for coming through. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and join the winning team. So today I'm going to talk about something that, again, I don't see a lot on YouTube. So a lot of people get really confused about how to price your hair products. I'm gonna try to make this like a quick video, only because it's really super simple, but a lot of people may not get it. So I'm gonna try to break it down the best way that I can. Price your hair products. So in the next clip, I'm going to show you guys an example of what a vendor would send you. So that is kind of like a vendor wholesale price list. Now, you want to make $100 off of each sale. $100 max. I mean, you can make $125, $150 off of each sale, but I'm just going to say $100 for the purpose of this video. But you always want to make $100 off of each and every one of your sales. And the reason why I say that is because it only takes $300 a day to make $10,000 a month to make $100,000 a year. Okay, I'm gonna say that again. It only takes $300 a day to make 6 figures. You only have to get 3 sales a day. Now, it might sound easy, might sound hard, but 3 sales a day, that's all you need. So how would you price your product? I'm gonna give you guys a really good example. Okay, so let's just say you have a bundle deal. Okay, let's just say that from your vendor, if you get 18, 20, and 22 inch, all those together would be $123. Now you always want to include shipping. Now usually shipping from vendors would be like $20 at the most, between $20 and $25. So for 18, 20, and 22 inch body wave, usually straight and body wave are always the same price. Straight and body wave are always the same price. Deep wave, loose wave, deep curly, all that stuff is usually like an extra $2 from the vendor. And then blonde is just a whole nother subject. But so basically how you would price your products, I'm gonna try to break this down in like the most simplest way ever. So I'm actually going to write this down for you guys so we can like visually see it together. Okay, so let me pull this up on my phone. So I have a vendor's wholesale price list here. On this vendor's list, they're selling 18, 20, and 22 inch. They're selling the 18 inch for $31, the 20 inch for $34, and the 22 inch for $38. So we're going to take 31 plus 34 plus 38. So 31 plus 34 plus 38. That equals 103. So if you guys can see that, excuse my handwriting, excuse my nails, but that's 103. Now it's just gonna charge, they're gonna charge you shipping, so you want to include shipping into your price. So let's just say $20 for shipping. That would be $123. So you see, this is the price of, so that's going to be the 18 inch bundle, the 20 inch bundle, and the 22 inch bundle. And then that's the price of all those together before shipping. After shipping is $123. So since it's $123 from the vendor, if you're doing a bundle deal, you want to sell that for $223. I think, yeah, $223. So, and then when you, well, actually, you know what, scratch that. Don't sell it for $223. So So you have it for $123. So this is how much your vendor is selling it to you for $123. So I would make this bundle. If we were doing a bundle deal, I would make this $225. So you want to sell this for $225. So when you take $225 minus 123, that would give you let's see, hold on, 225 minus 123, that would give you $102. So you made $102 off of this sale. Now if you're using PayPal, they may take some cut, so of course they're going to take their little cut, so you may make about, they're going to take their little $2, so you may make about $100. But then you have your shipping. So mind you, so you really will make a little bit more than that, because okay, so now let me go to a new page. So now you're selling it for $225 plus your shipping, let's just say shipping $7. So your customer is going to be paying, hold on, $225 plus $7 for shipping, so $232. So this is how much your customer will be paying. They'll be paying $232. So then you're going to take $232, subtract 123, and that's going, oh, you guys can't see that. And this is how much profit you would have made, 109. So that is how much you will make. And then, you have your shipping and things like that. You can, like I said in my first video about what they don't tell you about hair companies, you can ship first class shipping and spend like $2 or $3. And then, of course, PayPal is going to take their little $1 or $2 if you use PayPal. But you're going to have $100. So if you could do this 3 times a day, that would be amazing. So I'm going to give one more example to kind of just show you guys. So we could do a wig. I'll sell full lace wigs. So we're going to do a full lace curly wig. Now for this vendor here, I'm going to insert the wholesalers here. For this vendor here, we're going to say we're going to sell a deep wave wig. Now mind you, when they have full lace wigs, they have a different price for the 130 density, 150 density, 180 density. So we're going to say that we're going to sell a 24-inch full lace wig. We're going to sell a 24-inch full lace wig deep wave and 180% density. So this vendor is selling that for $306. So they're selling that. So this is how much the vendor's selling it for, $306. So to make $100 off of this, you want to pay $306 plus 20 because shipping from the vendor is 20. So that's going to be $326. So that is how much your vendor is charging you for this wig, is $326. So I would sell this wig for about $430. And you want to say $430 to cover like PayPal fees or transaction fees that PayPal or your website may charge or anything like that. So now you're selling it for $430 plus $7 shipping. I don't know why I just wrote it. Yo, look how I wrote this. I don't know why I just wrote it like that. So this is how much your customer will be paying. So that will be, if your shipping was $7, your customer will be paying $437. So then we're going to take $437 minus $326. A profit of $111. And if you sell 3 of those wigs in one day, $133. And let's just say you sell 3 of these wigs every day for 7 days times 7, that'll make you $2,331, well, around I'm sorry, hold on, I'm retarded. $2,331. And let's say you do this every week times 4, that will make you $9,324 if you were to sell this wig if you were to sell 3 of these wigs every day, 7 days a week. So that's that money, and that's money you keep. That's after your vendor. That's money you keep. That's your profit, sis. Okay, so that is basically it. Now for closures and frontals, a lot of people buy 3 bundles. Now if you're doing single bundles, I always just take the price of whatever the vendor is, and I just make it $30 more. So for example, if you're trying to do a price for a single bundle, like this vendor, their 12-inch is like $19, so I would sell it for about $40 because people buy those in 2s. Most people buy 3 bundles in a closure or 3 bundles in a frontal. So for the price of frontals and closures, I would just take the price that the vendor gives you and just add 30. Take the price that the vendor gives you and just add $30 or $40 to it, because I have a little bit of people who go on my website and just buy only a closure or only a frontal. That's very rare. Everybody always either buy 3 bundles in a closure, 3 bundles in a frontal, 4 bundles in a closure, 4 bundles in a frontal. I never really have people who just buy a closure or just buy a frontal. Some people do, but it's very rare. So you don't really have to like price that super large, or you never have somebody that just comes to buy 1 bundle. Now I've had some customers on my site that have bought 1 bundle. It looks crazy, but you know, sometimes it happens, but you don't make that much off of those type of sales. But it's very rare that happens. So you know, that's why I broke this down for you. I really hope that this video helped you guys so much. If you have any additional questions, you guys can always DM me on Instagram. My Instagram is always somewhere on this screen. But yeah, if you make 3 hair sales a day, 3 hair sales, that's all it takes is 3 hair sales a day, 7 days a week, you will be set and you can do it. Just keep focused, keep grinding, and you could do it. But I really hope this broke down how to price your products. I tried to make this as simple as possible. It's kind of really hard to explain, but once you get it, you'll kind of understand how to price your products. Make sure you're always pricing your products to where you at least make $100 profit when it comes to hair, because you know what I'm saying, you don't want to be making $60. You're not gonna hit that 6 figures. If you're trying to hit 6 figures, you need to be making $100. My goal is always 3 sales a day. Now I always shoot for more, but that could be your goal if you're looking for a small goal. Just 3 sales a day. Then once you start getting them 3 sales a day, make it 4 sales a day, then 5 sales a day. You know what I'm saying? 5 sales a day, $500 a day. Like, you can do it, sis. I believe in you. If you need a sign, I am your sign that you can do it. But I thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope this video helped you. Comment below if this video helped you. And yeah, more business videos to come. And I thank you guys so much for watching. Love y'all.